All right, what are we dealing with here today?
57 Corvette.
I mean, it's more than just that. What else we got going on? This thing is beautiful and everything's been done to it and then some.
I bought this when I was in high school 60 years ago for $425.
I'll pay you double that right now for it.
Thank you. Thank you. Other than that, we have rebuilt the whole car. Well, all we did was drag race the hell out of it when I first got it, and then we just rebuilt the whole thing. But I've worked in a body shop all my life, so this is what we got.
So what's the motor that you got in it now? Is the same drag racing motor or something different?
This is a DZ. It's a 302 DZ motor, Z28, but with a roller cam, roller rockers, and all that crap. So it's got a little bit more zip to it.
More than the drag race?
Oh yeah, yeah. This is more now than they had before.
Wow, check that out. Okay, so what do we got on the paint here?
It's a 2018, 19, 20 Acura RSX tri-stage waterborne color.
So Honda Acura.
Yeah.
That's insane because it is cherry mint beautiful.
Well, it's a tri-stage waterborne. It's different than a solvent base, so it came out pretty good.
No, it looks brand new off the showroom floor. Do you know what power it's putting out?
I really never had it checked. We just put it together and
Any guess?
have fun. Now it's probably 4.25, 450.
Okay, so we're not racing.
Yeah, she runs along pretty well.
And where do you take it besides the Myrtle Beach Car Club shows?
Just play with it. Fun car to drive.
Ever track it like it is now?
No.
Quarter mile, any eighth mile, nothing like that?
No, I got too much in it to bust it.
Garage queen?
Yeah, well, pretty much. Pretty much. Well, we got a 9-inch Ford in it and Dutchman axles, and it'll do it if we have to. Somebody gives me a bad time, we'll take care of it.
I wouldn't take this thing out. It's too pretty. It's like a trophy wife. You just want to leave her at home.
Yeah, that I would trade it maybe for one.
Okay, now we're talking. Now we got a deal going on between us.
That's fun. Fun car to drive.
Well, we appreciate your time today.
Thank you.
And thank you.
Very good. Thanks very much.